TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman on this Friday the 15th here we go, Friday the 15th of January, and we're looking at the Dow down 144 at 30,846. This is the first serious down day we've had in a little bit, and the weekly chart is in a G/C on the upside. And most importantly, we're looking at the Dow monthly still in leg C. So for subscribers to my opening call, we've been very cautious here. We're looking for some kind of consolidation. Most importantly, we're looking at the S&P down 22 at 37.73 off the 3826.69 high of the 8th. At that peak D. We're going to watch this. A close below 37.42 would be suggesting that we can go down deeper. The QQQ, 1, 2, 3, there we go. The QQQs are trading at 312.73 and peak D at 319.39 just 6 days ago. And we're watching very closely to see whether or not the 309 area is taken out in the next couple of days. And that'll suggest, yep, we've got a consolidation unfolding. And the weekly chart is probably making a peak D today. And that's going to be really important when I do the work over the weekend for preparing for Monday. IWM, I am calling this a leg B at this particular point, probably a peak B coming up. Most importantly about this, the thing that I'm looking at here is that the technical is still very strong. So there's a chance we could get to a leg C and maybe even a D in the Chapman Wave methodology. So it's down 3.80 at 210.13. I'm just watching closely. A close below 204, so 210 right now. 204 next week would be, that'll be a serious pullback. I'll have to rename the peak that was just made, and it is a leg D in the daily chart. Now, this is going to be very important because within the context of the markets, you've got gold pulling back again, $20 at 1830. This pattern I'm going to be talking about in my show, the target conditions hour, coming up in a few minutes' time. Why? Because for the GDX, it was the Chapman Wave inverted. This is a pattern that I look at on the upside. Now we're looking at it as potentially on the downside with the extension to the downside. And most importantly, the TLT is going to be a big clue here. It's up 1 at 152. Does money come out of stocks and go into bonds over the next few days? We're going to be looking at this closely. Stay tuned for my target conditions hour and check out my opening call daily newsletter. Thanks for being happy.